Alpha's Bug Tag 2 Snare is a completely unique display solution that integrates 3 components to provide comprehensive protection while enhancing the customer experience. The components of the Bug Tag 2 Snare are either an AM or RF non-deactivatable coil, the Bug Tag 2 sled for fixture mounting, the snare with a 60-inch coiled cable, an adjustable lanyard, and the Bug Tag 2 module, which houses the speaker, LED, key locators, and the non-replaceable long-lasting lithium battery. If either the lanyard or the cable is cut, or if the module is forcibly removed from the fixture, the module will alarm at approximately 96 decibels for 5 minutes, then automatically silence. Prior to application, determine which side of the display merchandise will be forward-facing, and determine the area on the merchandise the snare will be secured. You can then determine the best placement for the Bug Tag 2 sled. Loop the lanyard through a non-removable part of the merchandise. Insert the end of the lanyard into the opening and completely through the snare housing. Pull the lanyard to the desired tension. To engage the lock, push the locking slide up until you hear a faint click. The merchandise is now protected and ready to be secured into the Bug Tag 2 sled. Place the end of the coiled lanyard into the Bug Tag 2 sled, making sure the gray plunger fits into the cutout. Then snap into place. Clean the desired mounting area with alcohol and let it dry. Remove the adhesive backing. Prior to applying the sled to the fixture, ensure the sled is correctly oriented, then press firmly for 20 seconds to maximize bonding. Allow up to 24 hours for the adhesive to fully cure. Place the Bug Tag 2 module over the sled. Twist the module clockwise until you hear a click and a double chirp. The unit is now locked into place and armed. In the event the merchandise must be removed from display, the module must first be disarmed. Using the S3 hand key, align the detaching locators on the S3 hand key into the key locators on the Bug Tag 2 module. Turn the hand key and module counterclockwise to disarm and release the module from the sled. Remove the coiled cable from the Bug Tag 2 sled. The snare remains on the merchandise to maintain item protection until it's removed at the point of purchase. To remove the snare, align a detaching locator on the S3 hand key onto the key indent on the snare. With the hand key still on the indent, push the locking slide up to release the tension, then down to release the locking mechanism. Remove the lanyard from the housing and remove the snare from the merchandise. Leave the Bug Tag 2 snare in the open position in a storage bin for later use. A word of warning: the S3 hand key and Super XT detacher contain a powerful magnet. Keep them away from credit cards, ATM cards, or any other magnetic media, as it could erase the magnetic strip. For any questions about the Bug Tag 2 snare or any other Checkpoint High Theft Solutions product, please call our customer service department or visit us on the web at alphaworld.com. Checkpoint High Theft Solutions.